Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the measurement system on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon next to the record button at the lower bar on the screen and click to the settings icon at the upper side of the page. In the account section you can find the app settings option. Click that. And here you can find the first option, the measurement system. Click that. And you can find three options, the metric, Imperial USA and the Imperial UK. And if you want to select one, just click to the circle. For example, click to the Imperial USA, US and click to the circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.